Hello everyone, Guilherme is here, and at today's video I'm going to show you the where statement in the SQL Server. Uh, this statement is very useful, and it's used to add conditions to your select. If you want to select specific kinds of data, if your data or if your column it's in some range or it's between kind of value, the where statement will help you to make this analysis and make this filter. And so let's do the video. To show you how to use the where statement in SQL Server, first I'm going to make a simple select all from sales to. So the where statement it's simple to use. In this case we just will type it here where and select the statement that you want. For example, I just want to show a customer's name like C, customer equals C. So the where clauses has filtered my database to be showing only what I want, only what I told him. If I want to show customers with the value are C or D, what I can do is where customer it's equals C or customers equals D. So now it's showing to me. Another type of filter using this OR statement inside the where clauses, you can use in to select more than one value here. So basically where it's very simple clause that you want to filter your data in your database. So please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for you receive more and more videos about data.